Now here, question number 10, find the square root of the following decimal fraction. Okay, so here A, B, C, D, 4 sums are there. I will going to explain you this third sum. Okay, I need to find the square root of 5. Okay, 5.9049. This looks bit difficult. So what to do? We have to make this simple. How to make this simple? First of all, why it is difficult? Why it looks like this is difficult? Because there is a decimal point. So whenever there is a decimal point, we have to make it simple. How? By multiplying by 1, 2, 3, 4. After decimal point, 4 digit. So multiply by 4 digit, 4 zeros, right? Again, divide by 4 zeros, right? So when I multiply by this 4, what happens? This decimal point will come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal points comes here. Similarly here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal point will come here. And this 10,000 I can write as, this entire 10,000 I can write as 100 into 100. And this is inside the square root. So I will get only 100. So what I will do? I will write this as square root of 59049 divided by square root of 100 into 100. There is pair. So I will write only 100. Now this number is very big number. Okay. So whenever the number is very big, how we have to find the square root of very big number? By another method called division method. Division method. That's what I am going to explain you now. Pay attention. Okay, division method I need to find. So what is the first step of finding the division method? Write this format you should write. What is the format? This is the format. ये ऐसी लाइन बनाना है और ऐसी लाइन बनाना है, ये फॉर्मेट है. ठीक है, डिवीजन मेथड स्टार्ट करने से पहले. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. व्हाट इज द सेकंड स्टेप? Second step, you have to write this like this. You have to write this number as like this, 59049. This is your second step. ठीक है. थर्ड स्टेप क्या है? थर्ड स्टेप है आइडेंटिफाई द डेसिमल पॉइंट. Where is your decimal point in this number? This is the decimal point in this number. So what you will do? From decimal point you have to pair. Pair means what? जुड़वा बनाना है. तो इसकी जोड़ी बन गई, इसकी जोड़ी बन गई. ठीक है. What is the next step? Next step is write the square table. What do you mean by square table? Square table means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, and 9 square is 81. This is called square table. What is the next step? Next step, look this 5. Look this 5 number. Where? In this. Here you need to find the 5 number. Where you find? Where can you see this 5 number? I can see this 5 number between 4 and 9. Correct? Between 4 and 9 I can see the square number. So what to do? I will going to write here 2 into 2 as 4. This is what I will going to write here. This is the step. Okay, make note of this step properly. Okay, so I will going to write 2 into 2, which is 4. Then what is the next step? Next step is subtraction. So I will going to minus this. After I do minus, what answer I will get? 5 minus 4 is 1. So I will write here 1. What is the next step? Next step is I will bring this 90 down. So here I will get 9 and here I will get 0. What is the next step? Next step is you will going to add these 2. Okay, you will going to add these 2. 2 plus 2, what you are getting? You will get 4. You will going to write this 4 here. What is the next step? Next step, you will going to make this box here, and you will going to make this box here. Then you will going to write some number in this box and multiply that number until you get 190. So what I'll do, I will first try with 0. So I'm trying with 0. See here, I will going to try 40 into 0 is 0. Then again 41 into 1 is 41. Then 42 into 2. 42 into 2 is 84. Then I will use 43 into 3. 43 into 3 is 129. Then I will use 44. Sorry, I have to use 44, right? 44. So it will be 44. So 44 into 4, I will get 176. Then I will use 45 into 5. So 45 into 5, I will get 225. Then what I'll do, I have to compare. I am looking for only 190. This 190 comes where? This 190 comes between 176 and 225. So I need to consider which number? I need to consider this number. What is that? That is 4. So I will going to write here 4, and I will going to write here 4. Both the place I will going to write 4. This is the next most important step. Okay. Now next. Okay. So what you said is perfectly correct. I have to multiply 44 by 4 and I will get answer 176. What is the next step? Next step is subtract. So when I subtract this, what I will get? When I subtract this, I will get 1 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. This will be 0. So I will get 1 4. Next step is what? Next step is add 4. You will going to add only the unit place. You will not going to add both. So when you are adding this, what you will get? You will get answer as 48. This 4 plus 4 is 8, and this 4 will come as it is. What is the next step? Next step is put bracket here. Same bracket you will going to put here also. Then what you will do? Then what you will going to write here? You will going to write 480. You will write here 480 into 0, which is 0. Then 481 into 1, that is 481. Then you will write 482 into 2. 482 into 2, you will get 964. Then you will do 483 into 3. 483 into 3, you will get 1449. Right? So before that, I skip one thing. You have to bring this 49 down. Okay? You have to bring this 49 down, and then you have to add. When you will add, you will get 48, and then here what number you will put? 1449. Where you are getting this 1449? Are you getting it here? Yes, I am getting it here. So what should I write here? I should write 3 number here. Okay. So in this box, I will going to write 3 number, and the same that 3 number I will going to write here also. Then I will get answer 1449. Next step is minus. So when you subtract, you will get 0. So what is the square root of 59049? The square root of 59049 is 243 divided by 100. So what is the answer? The decimal point is here. Here decimal point is here. 1212. So answer is 2.43. This is the answer. Got it or not?